Matapos makausap si Rave, si Miguel nagkaroon ng lakas ng loob na kausapin si Eliza.
Of course, I see you every day. I feel like those feelings are getting stronger. I got to learn a side of you that I never really knew that made me feel stronger for you. Yung mga sinasabi ko ngayon, I might be too late, but I'm happy I got to say it to you. My question is, what's making you feel mabigat ngayon?
Siyempre sa akin magulo kasi ayun na, nawawala na nga yung kung ano yung nararamdaman ko sa'yo, tapos biglang makikita pala kita araw-araw. Diba? Tapos, ayun nga, siyempre ako, may nakikilala ko dito. Ayun, siya.
Yeah.
Ayun, lahat naman nakakapansin na parang, ayun, araw-araw. Parang, ayun, may sarili kaming mundo. Nag-uusap kami ng tungkol sa mga bagay-bagay. Tapos kasi, siya, sobrang showy niya. Sweet siyang tao. Pero kasi, yung mga napaparamdam tsaka napapakita niya sa akin, ayun yung hinahanap ko sa'yo noon. Magulo yun para sa akin. Na lagi ko iniisip bakit ayun yung hinahanap-hanap ko sa'yo noon. Bakit ngayon mo pa lang gagawin kung kailan. Siguro nakikita mo na kasi na.
No, it's not that.
No? Okay. Pero yun. Kung kailan lumalapit na yung loob ko sa iba, bakit ngayon lang?
We're happy now.
I'm happy.
Okay. So, my is to make you happy. Just go with what you're happy. And don't think how I'll feel. Of course, I don't want to let you go. If yun yung magiging happiness mo, then I'll do it.
Yun lang yung nagpapabigat siguro sa akin.
What do you want me to do?
Hindi ko alam. Isipin mo sarili mo.
I can't do that.
Bakit hindi?
If I do that, I'll still go for you. Should make you not happy. No, I just want you to be happy, yeah. So kung hindi yun yung magpapasaya sa'yo, why would I do it? Pero if I still have a chance, I'll do it. Do I?
Hindi ko alam.
For me, what I feel, your doors are closed na. Kasi whenever I try to talk to you, it's just, you can't look at me, you don't speak to me that much. Are they closed?
No.
No. So, can I still get to know you more?
Oo naman. Kasi ako gusto ko rin naman kita makilala pa.
Pero it's not gonna make things harder for you.
Parang siguro, hindi naman. Ata.
Kasi of course...
Pero yeah, hindi. No.
Okay, I'll say my final words. I hope I can still have a chance sa'yo. Because my feelings are stronger for you now. And I'm sure na, 100%. I'll try my best to show it to you. Just please, talk to me with an open door. I'll try to make you feel special to me.
That's what I'm saying, bro.
You don't have to do the same thing, but I just want you to hear me out and wag mo ako itaboy. It's time for me. My feelings are... I can't hide it.
Si Eliza po, special po siya para sa akin, kuya. Mas naging komportable po ako sa kanya dito. Yung connection po namin sa bahay niyo po, kuya, feeling ko mas lumalim po. Mas ready na po ako ngayon. Ready to know her better po.